records involving cash book. This is a ledger that specializes in keeping records involving receipts or payments in form of cash and checks. Below is a picture of a cash book. Objectives. By the end of the topic, you should be able to explain the meaning and purpose of a cash book, distinguish between the basic types of cash books, explain the term contra entry, prepare the various cash books. Background. In the ledger, transactions involving payments and receipts of cash and checks are kept in the cash and bank accounts respectively. However, as a business grows, it becomes necessary to separate cash and bank accounts from the general ledger in order to make it less bulky. Introduction. Specific needs of a business may dictate the type of cash book to use. For example, those without bank accounts and the ones that transact purely through checks will use single-column cash book. On the other hand, enterprises using both cash and checks may adopt two-column cash book. However, businesses that sell and buy on credit terms may be best served by a three-column cash book. Meaning of cash book. It is a book used to keep records involving receipts or payments in terms of cash and checks. The debit side records receipts while the credit side records the payment. Credit transactions are recorded in the cash book. Purpose of a cash book. Records cash transactions of a business, shows the cash position of a business at a given time, provides information on receipts and payments in cash and check, to control cash flow by management, and to minimize entries in general ledger. Types of cash books. There are three types of cash books, namely single column, two or double column, and three-column. Single-column cash book. This is a cash book with separate cash and bank accounts. The two accounts are kept on different pages of the cash book. In situations where a business is too small, such that it does not have business bank account, then it will have one account of cash with both cash in hand and cash at bank account. The amounts of cash received in the business are recorded on the debit side, that is, left side, whereas the amounts paid out by the business are recorded on the credit side, that is, the right side. The two-column cash book. It records receipts and payments of both cash and checks. The amount column on each side is divided into two, cash and bank. The receipts and payments in cash and checks are posted on the debit and credit sides respectively. The three-column cash book. This ledger has three columns which are used to cash, checks, and discounts on either side. Discount allowed is recorded on the debit side, while discount received on the credit side. Contra entry. This is an entry of a transaction that affects both sides of a cash book. For example, withdrawal of cash from bank for business use. Single-column cash book. The following diagram illustrates the format of single-column cash book. Types of cash books. The two-column cash book. It records receipts and payments of both cash and checks. The amount column on each side is divided into two, cash and bank. The receipts and payments in cash and checks are posted on the debit and credit sides respectively. The three-column cash book. This ledger has three columns which are used to cash, checks, and discounts on either side. Discount allowed is recorded on the debit side, while discount received on the credit side. Contra entry. This is an entry of a transaction that affects both sides of a cash book. For example, withdrawal of cash from bank for business use. Single column cash book. The following diagram illustrates the format of single column cash book. The example below shows how a single column cash book can be prepared. On 1st December 2002, Chebet traders had an opening balance of 20,000 Kenya shillings in cash. During the month, the following transactions took place. December 2nd, sold goods worth 40,000 Kenya shillings in cash. 10th December, paid 12,000 Kenya shillings for wages in cash. December 15th, paid 15,000 Kenya shillings for rent in cash. December 25th, sold goods worth 75,000 Kenya shillings in cash. December 28th, paid 4,800 Kenya shillings for insurance in cash. 30th December, paid 15,000 Kenya shillings for rent in cash. 31st December, received 7,800 Kenya shillings from Kamau in cash. Record the above transactions in a single column cash book. Chebet Traders cash book is prepared as follows. The example below shows how Chebet Traders cash book is prepared as follows. The two-column cash book. The format of two-column cash book is shown below. The following is an example of a two-column cash book. The following cash transactions took place in the business of Muniu during the first week of January 2003. January 1st, balances brought down cash 12,000 Kenya shillings and bank 35,000 Kenya shillings. January 2nd, sold a piece of furniture for cash 8,000 Kenya shillings. January 3rd, cash sales 10,000 Kenya shillings paid directly to the bank. January 4th, Muniu took cash 1,500 Kenya shillings for personal use. January 5th, bought goods worth 15,000 Kenya shillings, paying partly by check, 10,000 Kenya shillings, and the rest by cash. Record the above transactions in a double column cash book. Muniu double column cash book is prepared as follows. The three-column cash book. The format of a three-column cash book is shown below. Prepare a 3-column cash book from the following information from Leby's Traders, 2005. May 1st, balance brought down. Cash, 2,900 Kenya shillings. Bank, 65,400 Kenya shillings. May 2nd, Ochola settled his account of 12,000 Kenya shillings by check, less 10% cash discount by check. May 3rd, paid Makori 10,000 Kenya shillings, less 10% cash discount by check. May 4th, withdrew 10,000 Kenya shillings from the bank for office use. May 5th, Ayako settled her account for 28,000 Kenya shillings, less 10% cash discount by check. 15th May, paid wages 9,000 Kenya shillings in cash. 20th May, Mango paid his account balance of 4,000 Kenya shillings, less 10% cash discount in cash. 30th May, paid Cairo distributors 44,000 Kenya shillings by check, less 5% cash discount. Leby's Traders 3-column cash book is prepared as follows. Cash book. Exercises. Match the following descriptions with the correct term they represent by drag and drop. Quiz. Identify statements that best describe the purpose of a cash book by clicking the right box. Click on the box below that corresponds to the correct answer.